Do you think that color matches my skin?
No.
No?
That matches your skin. See? Your skin's not pink.
Yeah. Hi everyone, it's me again, Blanche, and welcome to my vlog. Okay, so this is Thea, my niece, and today she's gonna be the guest of my vlog. Go!
What is that now?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone.
We're gonna make a makeup of the baby and put it in the face.
Oh, really?
And in here. Yeah.
Let's tell them first how old.
And right here.
Yeah, how old are you?
And 3 years old.
3. Oh, that's 4. Yeah. There you go.
And
3 years old.
And what is your number for your name?
My age?
Oh no!
I'm secret. I won't tell you. Okay, let's just do this makeup tutorial, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I like your head done. It's so pretty.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Let's start with what? This one. What is this? It's called a primer.
Primer.
Yeah, we're
So,
gonna.
we put it in the face.
Okay. Are you gonna use your hands?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
I'll squeeze it in your hands. Okay. And up there. So,
You okay?
yeah, I'm okay. Thank you. I think there's a lot of primer on this side. Can you spread it well? Okay. Finished? Okay, we're done with our primer.
So, we do this.
That's a foundation.
Foundation.
What will you use to put the foundation on?
What do you use?
I think this will do.
Sure.
You tell me to stop, okay? We'll put the foundation into the... Oh! It's on my pants. Okay, one more. Some more?
Enough.
All right. Am I pretty already?
Wait. Another hands. Why your face like that?
What?
Why is your face like
Like,
why is like that?
what happened to my face?
Your face oh funny.
My face is funny?
Oh, no.
It's not pretty?
It's pretty.
Oh.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
And look at you. I like your face.
Oh, thank you so
Oh,
much.
something's in the eyes.
Do you want to add some more foundation?
Oh! No,
It's enough.
yeah, enough.
But there's still more in your sponge.
Yeah,
Do I look pretty now?
wait. There's more.
There's more. Okay. Are you gonna use the brush?
No, this is always the punch.
Okay. It's sponge. Egg sponge.
Yeah, egg punch.
That's enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa.
I look pretty now?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, you spilled it on my pants, but that's
You
alright.
spill it.
I did. It's not you.
It's not me.
Oh, it's me?
I heard the egg wash.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
Oh, this is the rainbow color.
Are you gonna use that?
Sure.
Okay.
What do I use with this?
You use the brush.
Wash?
Yeah, this one. How about this one?
Sure.
Wait, let me help you open this one. This is for the cheeks.
I'll put
This
it-
is called a blush on.
Yeah.
Oh, you know very well where to place it. No, you know what to do. You love me.
But if it's the red hair, it's Ariel.
Yeah, but that's
And then
Sleeping
it
Beauty.
is it's a is yellow is Cinderella.
Okay.
Enough.
Enough? Let me see. Oh.
You're so pretty now.
I am? Thank you so much. There's still some more. Do you want to spread it all over my face?
It's okay.
It's okay, it's done.
Uh-oh. What's next?
What's next?
But look at this. Look at this.
Yeah. We're done with the foundation, the primer,
And
and
look at this makeup table.
oh. Dun, 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 dun.
And that's a mirror. What?
Oh, I think this one. What's that for?
That's
What's this?
eyeballs?
Eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how to use that?
Where did I put this?
You can put that in my eyebrows. You said it's for the eyebrows.
Whoa! Other
The
side.
other side.
You're so pretty.
Oh, thank you. Let me see. It's so cute. You want to add some more?
Okay. You're so pretty.
Oh,
now,
thank
but
you.
Really good. You're so pretty now.
Okay. Oh, nice one, Tia Bear Bear.
How about also this one?
Okay, you can brush my brows.
So pretty now. Next.
We're done with the eyebrows, the blush, and the foundation. What else should we do now?